Hello everyone. Today I'm excited to be showing you a new feature that's a part of our Poly Video OS 3.1 software release. In this video, I'll be demonstrating USB device mode, which you can use on your Poly Studio X30, Poly Studio X50, or Poly G7500. USB device mode provides the ultimate flexibility because it allows an end user to walk into a conference room, connect their laptop to the video endpoint, and use virtually any meeting service in just 2 quick steps. For the first step, simply press device mode on the connected touch monitor or Poly TC8 touch controller. For step 2, just plug in the USB and HDMI if you'd like to use the display. And just like that, you're ready to bring the awesome experience that comes from all of Poly's audio and video features to any meeting connected to your laptop.